To troubleshoot your EveryDollar emergency fund, start by reviewing your budget to ensure you have allocated enough money towards your emergency fund. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses. And setting up an emergency fund is a crucial step in achieving financial stability. First, identify your emergency fund goal, which is typically 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Next, track your income and expenses to see where you can cut back on unnecessary spending and allocate that money towards your emergency fund. If you are having trouble saving for your emergency fund, consider the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Another key concept is to prioritize needs over wants, making sure to allocate money towards essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries, before spending on non-essential items. By doing so, you can free up more money in your budget to put towards your emergency fund. Practical examples of ways to troubleshoot your emergency fund include reducing dining out, canceling subscription services, and finding ways to lower your necessary expenses, such as negotiating a lower rate with your service providers. Best practices for maintaining a healthy emergency fund include regularly reviewing and updating your budget, avoiding dipping into your emergency fund for non-essential expenses, and considering setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund. By following these steps and maintaining a consistent effort, you can successfully troubleshoot your EveryDollar emergency fund and achieve financial stability. Remember to stay disciplined and patient, as building an emergency fund takes time and dedication.